Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to report a wrong or missing item on DoorDash. First, open the DoorDash app or website. Tap the account icon in the bottom corner. Then, go to Help. Next, select the order you need help with. Tap Issue with Items. Choose whether the item is missing or incorrect. Then, select the item from the list. Follow the on-screen steps to submit your report. DoorDash will review your request and usually offer a refund or credit. And that's it. That's how to report a wrong or missing item on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.